Texas Innovates is an education-focused nonprofit uniquely positioned to accelerate the energy innovation ecosystem. With years of experience helping entrepreneurs succeed, in 2023, we launched Chile, the Carbon and Hydrogen Innovation and Learning Incubator, which got support from the Department of Energy. I'm Alex Rosenfeld, president of the board, and I'm committed to our mission of enabling access to low-cost American-made supply chains for small businesses scaling hydrogen and carbon technologies. By aligning stakeholders to our mission, we will enable the development of a first-of-a-kind manufacturing hub, providing startups with access to pilot-scale manufacturing facilities, workforce development, and commercial partnerships. Through Chile, we already provide targeted mentorship, a first-of-a-kind 6-month technical and commercial curriculum, and access to corporate, academia, and NGO partners, reducing risks for early-stage companies. But we're also here to learn about small business prototyping and supply chain gaps and refine our manufacturing hub planning. With Stage 1 prize funding, we will expand our outreach, strengthen industry collaborations, and identify the key infrastructure needed to scale hydrogen and carbon technologies. This will position us for Stage 2 and planning hub development. Together, we can build the future of energy.